In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviewers in Bitbucket pull request. Whether you're new to Bitbucket or just looking to streamline your workflow, this process is remarkably straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started by opening your Bitbucket Cloud repository and finding the specific pull request you want to work on. Once you've got the pull request open, your attention should turn to the Reviewers pane. If you're unsure where this is, it's typically located on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll be able to manage who you want to review your code. Now, with your pull request open and the Reviewers pane in sight, you need to add reviewers. To do this, click the button to add reviewers. This will open up a text field where you can start typing the name or email of the user you want to add. Bitbucket will provide you with suggestions as you type, making it even easier to find the right person. Once you see the desired reviewer in the suggestions list, simply select their name. After selecting, don't forget to click the Confirm button. This step is crucial because it finalizes the addition of the reviewers to the pull request. As soon as you've confirmed your selection, the individual or individuals you've picked will be added to the pull request. They'll also receive a notification letting them know that their review is requested, which keeps everyone in the loop and ensures that the review process can proceed smoothly. For those who deal with frequent pull requests or have a standard set of reviewers, Bitbucket offers a nifty feature to make your life easier: setting up default reviewers. This can save you time and help maintain consistency across your projects. By presetting certain team members or stakeholders as default reviewers, they'll automatically be added every time you create a new pull request. In conclusion, adding reviewers to a pull request in Bitbucket is a simple process that helps ensure your code is reviewed efficiently and by the right people. It not only facilitates better code quality, but also fosters collaboration within your team. Setting up default reviewers further enhances this by offering a seamless experience. Always remember, good communication is key in collaborative coding, and selecting the right reviewers is a significant part of that. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it enables you to manage your pull requests more effectively. If you have any other questions or need further assistance with Bitbucket, feel free to explore more of our videos or reach out to the Bitbucket support community. Thanks for watching.